Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the numericals of chapter gravitation. We all have completed the theory of this chapter. Now we are going to discuss the numericals, how to solve the numericals related to gravitation. So let's see. First numerical is, what is the magnitude of the gravitational force between the earth and 1 kg object on its surface? Given mass of earth 6 into 10 power 24 kg and radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to power 6 meter. You have to find the gravitational force between the earth and 1 kg object. So first we will write the given. Whatever is given in the question we have to write first. Mass of object, small m, is equals to 1 kg. Mass of earth, capital M, is equals to 6 into 10 to power 24 kg. Radius of earth, capital R, is equals to 6.4 into 10 to power 6 meter. We have the formula F equal G M into small m upon R square. This is the formula of gravitational force. Now put the values. What is the value of capital G? It is not necessary that it is given in the question. You have to learn this value. The value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into capital M, mass of earth, 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg into small m, mass of object 1 kg upon R square, radius of earth square, means 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter whole square. Now calculate this value. 6.67 into 6 into 1 upon 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 24 upon 10 to the power 6 का square, means 10 to the power 12. Now multiply this. 6.67 into 6. 6 7 ja 42, 6 6 ja 36 and 4 40. 6 6 ja 36 and 4 40. कितने places बाद decimal है? 2 places बाद. So put decimal after 2 places. 40.02. This is equals to 40.02 upon 6.4 into 6.4. 4 4 ja 16, 6 4 ja 24 and 1 25. 6 4 ja 24, 6 6 ja 36 and 2 38. 6 9 0 4 4 0 and how many digits are there after decimal? 1 and 1 2 to put decimal after 2 digit. This is 40.96 into 10 की power minus 11. When there is a sign of multiply, then power will be added and in division power will be subtracted. 10 power minus 11 plus 24 minus 12. Now divide 40.02 by 40.96. How many digits are there after decimal? 2, and in denominator there are also 2 digits, so we can cancel the decimal. Now 4096 divided by 4002. वन टाइम भी नहीं जाएगा, सो पुट 0 and decimal. Now increase 1 0. 9. 9 6 54. 9 9 81 5 86. 9 4 36. माइनस करिए 10 minus 4 6. 1 बचा 11 minus 6 5. 9 बचा 9 minus 8 1. 9 minus 6 3. Again increase 1 0. Now 4 8 32. ज्यादा हो जाएगा 7. 7 6 42. 7 9 63 and 4 67. 7 4 28. माइनस 10 में से 2 माइनस करिए 8. यहाँ 5 बचा 15 माइनस 7 8. 4 बचा 14 माइनस 6 8. 0 बचा 10 माइनस 8 2. Again increase the 0. Again it is divided by 7. So 2 8 6 7 2. Now it is sufficient. This is equals to 0.977 into 10 की power 24 minus 11. 13 plus the 13. 13 minus 12 1 equal, multiply by 10, this will become 9.77, and this is a force, so its unit is Newton. In this way you have to solve the questions of gravitation and find the gravitational force between two objects. Now see some other questions. Question is given that what is the weight of an object of 30 kg mass on the earth and on the moon? There is an object of mass 30 kg. You have to find the weight of this object on earth and on the moon. as you have learned that the value of G on the moon is 1/6 of the value of the G on the earth. First, write the given. Only one thing is given, mass of object equal 30 kg. Now, we know that G on moon is equals to 1/6 G on earth. First, weight of object on earth. सबसे पहले हम लोग अर्थ पर उस ऑब्जेक्ट का वेट निकालेंगे, which is equals to mg. M is 30 kg and G is 9.8 meter per second square. On earth the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. Multiply करिए, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27 and 2 29. 294 Newton. Now, weight of object on the moon equal m G dash. G dash is the value of G on the moon, which is equals to m into 1/6 G, where G is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the earth. So 30 into 1/6 into 9.8. 6 5s are 30. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45 and 4 49. So this is 49.0 Newton. This is the weight of the object on the earth and this is the weight of the object on the moon. So in this way we can find the weight of any object on the moon. You can remember this value. The value of G on the moon is 1.63 meter per second square. You can direct put this value in place of 1/6 G. Okay. Now see another question. The question is, what happened to the force between two objects if the mass of one object is doubled? If we increase the mass of one object 2 times, double means 2 times, then what will be the effect on the force? If the distance between object is doubled or tripled, what will be the effect on the force if the distance between two objects is become 2 times or 3 times? And in third point, if the masses of both the objects are doubled, means what will be the effect on the force if the masses of both the objects becomes 2 times. Now see how to write this. First we will consider, let the masses of two objects will be be m1 and m2, and distance between them is small d. Okay, now we have the formula F equal G m1 m2 upon d square. Now see the first case. The mass of one object is doubled. If m1 equal 2m1, then F equal G 2m1 m2 upon d square. Equal 2 times G m1 m2 upon d square. What is the effect on the force? It will become 2 times. Then we write the force will become double. The force will become double. Of its original value. Second case, the distance between object is doubled or tripled. If d equal to d, then F equal G m1 m2 upon 2d का square equal 1 upon 4 G m1 m2 upon d square. The force will become 1 upon 4 times. The force will become 1 upon 4 times of its original value. Similarly, you have to put b equal 3d for triple. Then it will become 3d ka square means 1 upon 9. The force will become 1 upon 9 times. And in third case, if the masses of both the objects are doubled, then you have to put m1 equal to m1 and m2 equal to m1. 2m1 into 2m2, which will become 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Then the force will become 4 times the original value. So in this way you have to complete this question and some other questions which I have given you. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the doubt group. Thank you.